This mirror-mounted bracket gives Escort radar detectors a solid, vibration-free perch right under the rearview mirror, which keeps the display easy to see without blocking the windshield. Installation is straightforward for most vehicles, since the hardware is designed to adapt to a wide range of mirror stems and can usually be fitted in just a few minutes with basic tools. The included direct wire harness lets you power the detector from the fuse box instead of the cigarette lighter, so the cabin looks cleaner and you free up that accessory outlet. A very long cable run with a generous section of protective mesh sleeving makes it easier to route the wiring behind trim panels and headliners for a factory-style finish. Multiple included fuse tap styles cover common automotive fuse formats, so you rarely need to hunt down extra parts to complete the hardwire install. The kit also comes with the correct detector clip and quick splice connectors, making it a genuinely complete solution for mounting and powering an Escort unit in one go.